Hi, I'm Katie Banks. Welcome to our listing at The Legacy, 60 East Monroe, Unit 2501, a stunning 3-bedroom, 2.1 bath condo in the heart of the Loop with dining in the sky. And now we're in the master suite with plenty of room for a king-size bed, incredible northern views, his and hers closet, and an attached luxury master bathroom with a shower, tub, and double sink. And now we're in the 3rd bedroom, which could easily be used for an office. Could you imagine working from home with these views?